Now listen here. Sixth problem. Sixth problem also. The questions are. Answer the question. Then the question. That's why you want to write the answer directly. Now read the question clearly. The probability that the fluorescent lights has a useful life of at least 600 hours is 0.9. We put 0.9. So immediately 1 minus b, 1 minus 0.9, 0.1. Any probability among 12 such lines. 12 such lines. Now write the formula for binomial distribution. When 12c x is what? 0.9x, 0.1 whole power 10 minus 6. Over. And the first subdivision, what is happening? Exactly 10. Probability exactly 10. That is what? Probability x equal to 10. Substitute 12c 10. 0.9 power x 0.1 whole power 1 minus 10. 12c 12 minus 10 is what? 2. 0.9 power 10. 0.1 whole power 2. That's all. D not simplify. Power 10 is a norm. That's why D not simplify. This is the answer. The next one. What is the question? At least 11. Probability at least 7 what I told you? Greater equal to 1. Greater than 11. That means what? Greater than 11 means 11, 12, etc. But any is what? Up to 12. Apart more than 11 means x equal to 11 and 12 only come. Am I right? This problem, greater than 1 means you put the formula 1 minus something. But here, greater than 11 means n is what I play. N is then x equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. up to 12. What is that mean? 11 and above asking. Our 11 and above means 11 and 12 is there. Now replace x by 11 in the formula. 12c 11, 0.9 whole power 11 into 0.1 whole power 12 minus 1 is 1 plus here 12c 12 0.9 whole power 12 here 0.1 whole power 12 minus 1 0 no? Am I right? 0.1 whole power 0. Now simplify, that is the answer. Am I right? 12c1. The 12c1 means what mean? 12c 12 minus 7 1. But 12c 1. Yeah, 0.9. 0.1 whole power. Here 12c 12 means 12c 0. The 0.9, the whole power 12 can match 0.9 whole power 11, 0.9. Am I right? Split into 11 plus 4 power. This is the whole. Am I right? Out of this two terms, what is common? 0.9 whole power 11 is common. Okay, what is the answer? 12. Am I right? 12c1 means 12. Next. Into 0.1. Here actually 1. It's common time is 0.9 only. Am I right? Now this is the answer. Multiply 1.2. Here 0.9. Adding for 1.2 0.9. Answer is 2.1 here. 0.9 okay? Now one more sub is there. Third sub is also there. This is important concept. What is asking? The probability of at least 2 will not have useful life. This is asking. At least 2 will not have. So 2 will not have. What will you want? 12. 2 will not remain. Remain is what? 10. Our remaining is what? At most will come. At most 10. Then here at least 2 will not have useful. Our opposite is what? Remaining quantity 10. We can what is there? At least the opposite one is what? At most 10 will not have the same thing. Will not will have a useful life. Alright? Is it what a concept? At least who will not have useful life, but we consider the opposite. Opposite means the remaining quantity out of 12 minus 2, 10. The opposite is at most. At most means what? Maximum 10. At most means what? The maximum 10. That means what? That is what? 10 and below is asking. 10 and below is what? 10, 9, 8, etc. 0, 1, 2, this is 10. This is not possible, right? That's 1 minus the remaining quantity. The remaining quantity is what? Less than 10. Less than 10. 10 and below asking. What is the next value? 0, 1, 2, 3 is up to 12. But 10 below asking me, what is the remaining quantity? 11 and 12, no? That will be subtract from 1. That's a that kind of answer. Now, here, x is 11, x is 12. Am I right? This is already found out. Already, x is 11 and x is 12 already found out. By the second subdivision, what is the final answer? 1 minus 0.9 whole power 11 into 2.1. This is the answer by using second subdivision answer. That's all. Very this type of question many. Because 3 subjects are asking and also answers in morning want something. Starting the same thing. P, Q, N, write the formula. Exactly 10 mean replace everything. At least 11 mean 11 and above asking. That means what? N is only 12 up to 12 is given. That's 11 above 11 means 11 and 12 will be only 2 numbers. Next is what? At least 2 will not be useful life. 2 will not be given 110 at most. In this way, at most means up to 10. Up to 10 means 0, 1, 2, this is up to 10, you know. Length calculation will come. Otherwise, the avoid length calculation, you will subtract from 1, you will find remaining quantity. Remaining quantity is what? More than 10. 10 is what? 11 and 12. The 11 and 12 already find out. Subsequently, we get that. That's all. Now listen here. 7th question. This is very final question. We have 3 subjects are asking. Now what is given? Mean and variance given. Mean, standard is given. Mean and standard is given. Mean is what? 6. The formula for mean equal to NP equals 6. Am I right? This is the first equation. Now standard is given now. The formula for standard deviation is what? What is the formula? Standard is what is the formula? Root of NP2. The 2 given is 2. Squaring and both sides. NP2 is equal to 2 square 4. This is given, mean given, standard is given. From this one, NP equal to 6, NP equal to 4. Put 1 into. That means what? Replace NP equal to 6 here. What is the answer? 6Q equal to 4. Q equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 6. Cancel. 2. P1, P. P equal to what? 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 by 3. 3 is easy now. What is the answer? 1 by 3. P equal to 1 by 3 in 1. 1 is what? N into P is 1 by 3 equal to 6. Cross multiply 18. Am I correct? Anyway, from mean and standard deviation, you will find the value of P, N, U. Now, since mean is greater than the variance, am I correct? Am I correct or not? See, mean 6, variance what? Mean equal to 6, variance equal to 4 only, no? This is greater than. That's why it is a polynomial distribution. It is that's why the formula. What is asking? The first one is the probability mass function is asking. That's the first is the one. The probability mass function. Probability capital X plus 1 x. NCX, B power x, Q power n minus x, x to 0, 1, 2, etc. n. Substitute all over here. 18CX, P is 1 by 3 power x, Q is what? 2 by 3 for 18 minus x. This is the probability mass function. First one is what asking? Second one. Probability of x to 3 is asking. 18C3. 1 by 3 power 3, 2 by 3 whole power 18 minus 15. That's all. Now need not simplify this one. What is the reason? Power 15 is there. Simplification is not possible. That's all. Second subject, that's all. The third subdivision, property of Qatar is asking. What I told you? Qatar to me 2 and above. N equal what? 18. For 2 and above mean 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. up to 18. Up to 18 you want to find. What is what? From 1 you will subtract remaining quantity. What is remaining quantity? 2 and above asking no. What is remaining number? 0, x is 0, x is 1. That's all. Replace x is 0 in the formula 18C0. Next say 1 by 3 power 0, 2 by 3, 18 minus 8 only, plus x 18C1, 1 by 3 power 1, 2 by 3 power 18 minus 1, 17. In this way, substitute the value for n, b, etc. Now you want to simplify, that is the answer. Now, after these two terms, what is common to both? What is the you want to simplify? 1 minus 18C0, 1 by 3 whole power 0, 1, need not write. So 2 by this 18 minus 17 into 2 by 3 whole power 1. In 18C1 is 18, here into 1 by 3. Here 2 by 3 whole power 17. Now, you can say no. Now what is common to both? 2 by 3 over 17 is 4. 2 by 3 plus 46. Am I right? Now simplify. 1 minus 2 by 3 power 17 into 3 is LCM. Multiply. 3 is 18. 18 plus 20. 22. This is the answer. Now the power 17 is the norm. We not simplify. That's why this is the answer. Again, this is the final question. 3 subdivision asking. All the problems are you want to get n, p, q after the formula substitute. After what are the questions also one by one you find. Just go through everything. It is easy concept for you. From the last exercise, last year, 1 5 mark question came already. That's why you got exercise. Next question, 8th question, you got a 5 mark question. If x is probability of binomial theorem of n comma p. P bar, that's the binomial theorem, binomial distribution. Such that 4 into probability x equal to 4, probability x equal to 2, and n equal to 6, find the distribution, mean, and standard deviation. 3% also. This is given. This represents binomial distribution. N equals 6. That's why you take the formula for binomial distribution. N only given now. N is 6. 6x, v power x, q power 6 minus x, comma, x equal 0, 1, 2, etc. up to 6. Over. Now what is given? Given 4 into not x equal to 4, x equal to 2. 4 into not x equal to 4 means what? Replace x by 4. 64 p is what? P only p power 4 q power 6 minus 4 2. Here replace x equal to 62 b power 2 q power 4. Understand? Now 4 into 60 4 no 64 can 6 minus 4 is what? 2. 62 into b power 4 q square 62 into b square into q power 4. This will be cancelled. Now cross multiply 4 into b power 4 by q square q power 4 by q square. Cancel 4b square equal to q square. This came as 2b whole square equal to q whole square. Take square root of cosec or 2b equal to q. Alright? What is asking? By the distribution asking me, we need n, p, q. N already given. We want p. That's why 2p equal to q is what? 1 minus 1. Arrange 2p plus b equal to 1 by 1. So 3p equal to 1, p equal to 1 by 3. So q is what? 1 minus b, 1 minus 1 by 3. Take 3 is LCM. 3 was 3 minus 1, 2. Therefore, from this idea, you will find the value of p and q. What is asking? The distribution is asking. The first subdivision. Distribution is what? The binomial distribution. Now we have kept it to small x. NCX, that is 60x. P is what? 1 by 3 for x. Q is what? 2 by 3 for x, comma, x equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. up to 6. That is the answer. First subdivision over. Then second subdivision, what is asking? Mean is asking. Mean equal to what? NP. N is what? It is what? 6 already given. P is what? Already find out. 2 is that. Then standard deviation is asking. What is number? Root of n into root of n is 6. P is 1 by 3. 2 by. Am I right? 1 times. 2 times. 4 by 3. So 2 divided by 2 is that. You got to find 1%. Only simplification. This is the answer. 2 by root 3. Being 2, standard deviation. 2 by root 3. This is the solution. You must have the formula clearly. You got to find 1%. Another question, 5%. In a binomial distribution consisting of 5 independent trials. 5 independent means n equal to 5. Correct? N equal to 5. The probability of 1 and 2 success are 0.496 and 0.24048. Respectively. Find the mean and the variance of the distribution is asked. Now binomial distribution, write the formula clearly. Now what is data? By data 1, probability of 1, that is x equal to 1, is equal to first one 0.496. Am I right? N also 5. N equal to what? N equal to 5. Am I right? N equal to 5. Or substitute here NC 5CX. X is 1 actually. Before that, n equal to 5, no? Substitute 5 only. 5CX, p power x, q power 5 minus x. In this way, you want it. Now only by data 1 success now. This is 1 equal to 0.496. Which implies replace x by 1. 5C1, p power 1, q Q power 4, 0.496. 5C1 is only 5. 5 into B into Q power 4 equal to 0.496. This is the first equation. From the first data, first equation. From the data 2 success is 2, 0.2408. Am I right? 2048. In the formula, x is 2, 5C2, B power 2, Q power 5 minus 2, 2.0. This is once again, the 5 is what is the formula? 5 into 4, 1 into So B square, Q power 3 is equal to 0.2048. Multiply 10 into B square, Q power 3 equal to 0.2048. This is 2. What is asking? Find the mean and value is asking. That's why we need P and Q. That's why 2 divided by 1. 2 is what? 10 into B square into this one. The 5 into B into Q power 4 equal to 0.2048. Here 0.4096. Am I right? Cancel. The square cancel only 2. 1 time 2 times. So 2 into only P here. Here Q equal to cancel 1 time 2 times. 1 bit. Am I right? B equal to cross multiply. What is the answer? 4B equal to Q. We want P, no? 4B equal to 1 minus P. 4B plus B equal to 1. That's why 5B equal to 1. We need P. So P equal to what? 1 by 5. First and so. Q is what? 1 minus P, 1 minus 5. 4 by 5. Now what is asking? Mean asking. Mean. NP is the formula. N is not 5. Into P is what? 1 by 5. That's what is the answer. Am I right? In this way you will find the answer. Mean is 1. Now where it is asking? What is the formula? NPQ. NPQ is the formula. N is what? N is what? 5. 1 by 5 with 4 by 5. So we cancel now. That's all. In this way you will find answer. By the way you will find the P and Q by using the fundamental formula. This also by the same. Anyway, I completed one exercise, full exercise. The last exercise. These are all important concepts only by using small formula. Binomial distribution formula. NCX, P power X, Q power N minus X is the formula. Mean is NP and variance is what? NPQ. Standard deviation of NP. This much idea to commit all problem in exercise. 5th exercise. 11.5 exercise. All the rules say binomial distribution formula. And the remaining example do yourself. This is the 2 cancel. That's all.